it's Century Modern Airs. Adrian Kinney here. I am so many days behind and filling in what's going on, but not tons has happened. It's kind of in that phase where we're doing a lot, but you don't see much. It's obviously always in the last 20% or so you see a lot of change. But anyway, it is January 11th, Saturday here, and I was going to go through and show you the house here, what we've got done. We made quite a bit of progress. My crews are working great on getting stuff done, and we're down inside to basically the full empty shell to rebuild from, which doesn't take much because these homes are essentially just shells that were supposed to look like that and be more light and airy and connect with the land. We've almost filled up a full 40-yard dumpster, which I think I covered on one of my other videos, but that always baffles me how crazy that is. So that's 40 cubic yards, which is just insane. Anyway, I will get this camera switched around and we can go check out everything that's been done here. All right, so again, this is starting from the front. Let's see, swinging on back here. Front door, there's the side windows. Those are all uncovered completely under there. That is the fireplace where we've chipped off a good amount of it. Inserts going to one of my contractor's other client's house up in the mountains where it is more fitting for its style. Those are great heat sources, just doesn't look super duper here. Named Century Modern House. This middle room is coming together perfectly. You can see the tankless going in there. This floor will match the floor in the kitchen. Where I'm standing now, where you can see the wood stop, that's actually going to be a wall going up to the ceiling right there. This will kind of be a TV wall across here. Those of you that know these houses, the RM3212s, or even my old house on Lowell, that's what this model is, and it's a great spot to kind of have a TV space that's there. Again, windows going in where that framing is. This will be closed off, where you can see kind of that line on the floor, and the same on the other side. That will become the master bedroom. The master bedroom's closet, so the walk-in closet. So the appliances, clients are going to want that fridge out there. We will be donating this appliance and seeing if somebody wants to salvage it for metal in pieces to keep as much of this as we possibly can to be reused. Kitchen's pretty much opened back up and done, so fridge there on the left. The right side will be pantry. Along this wall will be lower drawer cabinets and a range. In the middle here, an island will be there. It'll be actually retro cork flooring, which I'm super excited for. The clients were on board with that. No uppers, which I don't like to put them in these houses. They feel like they close in a little bit. So we're doing all drawers below, so they'll have quite a bit of storage, even though we're losing the upper space there. On that right side in the corner, which will be next to the dishwasher, we put in a little fake wall, and then we build a pantry in there with a sliding door that matches the cabinetry and everything in the kitchen. So as you can see, we've actually got obviously all the carpet up at this point, except for this little pad that the appliances are sitting on. Tack strips are up, nails are up. I just gotta pop the baseboards off and the floors are ready when that's time. This week will be painting, fence work, and electricals the end of the week to get that finished up. So, just trying to get these schedules lined up. Contractors are always pretty busy, but these crews are doing great helping me out here. This is bathroom 1. As you can see, the floor has gone in for the backer board. We've got the flange in for the toilet. All of this is rocking in here. We're just waiting for the valves to go in to finish off the plumbing. But everything is starting to look pretty dang good and closed off, which makes me happy. This bedroom, let me see, I actually think I have the power on for lights right now. I apologize, just throwing stuff around. Got some of the tile in already. This room will be, again, bedroom number 1. Not much is going to happen in that room besides new windows and paint and floor refinishing. And this room, I believe the bulb is, nope, it's not out. We've got just the doors will get redone, and everything in here, redone floors, a new light fixture in here, etc. Coming down the hallway, again, this is where, between there and there is where the wall is going to go, so that this continues along there. Go into the master this way, there'll be a door right here that slides, so you've got a full and open, this will be a full walk-in closet that's here. Here we've got master bath. Again, it's now been fully gutted. Kit and I got the tub out, which I'm pretty stoked about. It was quite a feat. But this will be a walk-in shower and a full retro pink bathroom, which I'm actually super stoked about. So anyway, that'll go into there. And then in the main master here, got all the flooring up. This room is actually in really good shape. The floors, I think, are gorgeous. unfortunately, we have to refinish them because, again, parts that are great are great, parts that are bad are bad. So we'll just have to take care of the whole flooring that way. But most likely go back towards this honey range of coloring. Got a new fan for this room. That's, again, the courtyard that's going up there. But everything is coming along splendidly. I'm a very happy camper with all of the progress and everything. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Love how this looks. And, cool. Catches it on film, too. I have a cool picture of this. But very excited that they're wanting to keep this so we can integrate that into my design work that I'm doing here. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Again, it's January 11th here, and we will be cruising right along. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and talk to y'all soon.